The legitimacy of several voting members has been called into question by one administrator, even as the date for the Jamaica Football Federation election was set by the board of the local football governing body. The JFF has also been reminded about the potential ramifications of a normalization committee taking control of the nation's football. Jerome Foster has this TVJ Sports follow-up.
On Wednesday, November 1, the Jamaica Football Federation announced that January 14 will be the date for its elections. The agreed date comes beyond the constitutionally due time to allow for additional registration of several associations. However, the Federation's move to give the nod to the Beach Football Association of Jamaica Limited, which was registered by JFF Vice President Bruce Gaynor and board member Patrick Malcolm, along with the Jamaica Coaches Association led by Chairman of the Technical Committee Rudolph Speed, has left CASAFA First Vice President Carville Stewart scratching his head.
Was specifically required by FIFA to broaden the stakeholder base in the JFF. In other words, to pick up as many of the other football bodies that exist in the country and have them participate at the decision-making level in football. What they have done here is contrary to that effort to broaden the base, because Gaynor is a vice president, Malcolm is a director, and Stennett is an employee of the JFF. That organization also has never participated in beach football.
On Thursday, TVJ Sports obtained a copy of a letter sent to the JFF by the Beach Soccer of Jamaica Limited, which existed for over 15 years, expressing their dismay at being disregarded in place of another entity which was incorporated this year. Beach Soccer of Jamaica has demanded an explanation on why their documents were not accepted, as well as warning that the body's move to disenfranchise them before the elections has forced them to alert the CFU, CONCACAF and FIFA about the matter. Stewart, who is also championing the cause for presidential hopeful Raymond Anderson, says the latest move is inching Jamaica's football closer to that of a particular Caribbean island.
I believe they are playing with the introduction of normalization to Jamaica's football because of the conflict of interest that is involved in the selection of these organizations, which are totally JFF bodies. The coaches are made up of the board of director, Speed, and all the coaches in that coaches organization are employees of the JFF.
And Stewart asserts that his association with Anderson has nothing to do with his claims of a major conflict of interest in the process.
Nothing to do with whether or not Anderson going to lose vote. Anderson shouldn't lose vote for these fabricated organizations that do not have a record of existence and are all conflicted because they all are developed either by board members of the JFF and employees of the JFF. Therefore, there's no widening of staker participation when you go with these people.
It's left to be seen the next move in a chess game that has seen the ultimate prize of governing Jamaica's football. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.